So in today's video, what I'll be doing is I'll be updating the BIOS for my motherboard, which is a Asus Prime B760-Plus motherboard, and the processor that I have in it is a 13th generation Intel i7 13700KF processor. So the manufacturer recommends everyone with this motherboard to update their BIOS to the latest version. And the latest version is, whoops, sorry about that. It's version 1663. Let's see all the versions that are previous to that. So the previous one is version 1662, which is beta. I didn't want to get this one because I wanted to get the finalized version, which is this one right here, and this was released August 15th, 2024, and today is August 17th, 2024, so that was 2 days ago. That's perfect. So just download this. Make sure you have a USB flash drive, which I have connected here. I have made a directory called motherboard BIOSes, and I have put that file here. When you get the file, it's gonna be zipped like this. So you go in here, unzip it, and just put the file in the folder, and that's basically it. So I've already put it in there, so I'm gonna skip that. Or BIOS, okay, so I want this one, not that one, so I'm going to just put that in another folder. In here, I'll put it in there as previous. So this is the one that I want to update my BIOS to 1663. What I'm going to do now is restart my computer. I'm going to press F2 until I go into the BIOS, and I will see you there. Okay, so before I decide to do anything, what I want to do is I'm going to shut down this computer and plug my computer's plug into the uninterrupted power supply. Because if anything happens during the BIOS update, that could cause some big problems for me. I don't want my computer to be bricked, so I'm going to turn this off right now. I'm going to unplug that. I'm going to plug this. This is for my computer. And plug it into the uninterrupted power supply. One of the reasons why I can't use this computer with this UPS is because when I'm running intensive applications, this uninterrupted power supply doesn't have enough juice to power up the computer, so that's why I didn't plug it in there. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn my computer back on and go into the BIOS. I'm going to press F2 until I go into the BIOS. Whoops, I need to go to advanced mode. Before you start, make sure you remember all your previous settings. So take a camera. In this case, I'm recording with this camera here, so I would know how to set it back to its original settings. UEFI only. That's for me. That's for you. It may be different. Go to AI tweaker. Here. this is a setting I want to be back at. So after you update your BIOS, it's going to change all the settings here. So you want to write this down, or you want to take a picture of it and set it back to how it was. That's how I want my BIOS to be for internal power, CPU power management. And for here, I want to, for me, I disabled Intel Adaptive Boost technology. For you, you may just leave this enabled. For me, it's disabled because I don't like it. You could do whatever you want with yours. And you just go to Tools after that. Go to Asus Easy Flash Utility 3. And for me, I'm going to select my USB drive. I'm going to use the controller, the keyboard. For me, it's the 32 gigabyte USB flash drive. I'm going to press enter, go down, go to the place where I put the BIOS file here, and then just select this, and then it should start updating your BIOS. This could take a couple of minutes. So just be patient and let it do its job. For whatever reason, if you go back to this, you may have to update the BIOS 2 times. For me, I just updated it just once and it just worked. But if it requires you to do it 2 times, you must do it 2 times. Go back here and go back here and go to the BIOS and select. So now it's going to reset the computer. Tells you not to do anything, just let it do its thing. Then I have to press F1 to go back into the BIOS. Let's see. I want to disable that. I don't like that. Go here. I want to set it back to my default settings. Let me check my camera or a smartphone and get that information. What those settings were. Can't remember it right off the bat. Let me see.
Okay. So CPU core cache current limit is, I want to set it back to 249.00 amp. This is PL1. I want to set that to 125, and this is PL2. I want to set that to what I had before was 188. .56 seconds, good. Want to go to boot. That looks right. Okay, good. I'm going to save and reset and see if the computer restarts. That's good. I heard a beep. It should restart into Windows. Okay, good. That's it, pretty much. Thanks for watching.